Hey, how are you all? And hope you are doing well. Today, in this video, we will see how to copy a TikTok caption, TikTok description easily. I was actually trying to copy TikTok caption, and I didn't find any proper video on that. So now I have found one way to copy the caption. So I thought some people may also want to see this method, so let's do it. So what you have to do is, first you need to go to the TikTok, like I'm here on my TikTok, and here you can find like any TikTok. So I will just copy the link from here and go to this site here. This site name is savetik.co. Its color is green, so you can see. You just have to do is you can also do on the Chrome browser for your mobile. You have to paste here, click on the downloads, and here you can see easily that from here you can copy your captions, hashtags easily. So hope this video will help you a lot. So please give me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.